As homeowners become more conscious of their impact on the environment, many are seeking ways to make their homes more energy efficient and sustainable. One of the most effective and impactful home improvements is window replacement. In Austin, where the climate can be hot and sunny in the summer, along with cooler, milder winters, replacing old, inefficient windows with modern, energy-efficient options can significantly reduce your home's carbon footprint while also saving money in the long run. In this article, we'll explore the key environmental benefits of window replacement in Austin, focusing on energy efficiency, waste reduction, and overall sustainability. Improved energy efficiency. One of the most significant benefits of replacing old windows is the improvement in energy efficiency. Old windows, especially single-pane windows or those with worn-out seals, are often the culprits behind excessive heat transfer, resulting in your HVAC system working harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Reduced heat transfer. Modern windows, particularly double-pane or triple-pane windows, are designed to minimize heat transfer. These windows feature multiple layers of glass with an insulating layer of gas, such as argon or krypton, between the panes. This helps keep the cool air inside during hot summer months and retains the warmth during the colder seasons, reducing the strain on your air conditioning and heating systems. Energy-efficient glass coatings. Many energy-efficient windows come with low-E glass coatings. These coatings reflect infrared light, which helps regulate your home's temperature and reduces the amount of solar heat entering through the windows. This means your home stays cooler in the summer, and your air conditioning system doesn't have to work as hard, resulting in lower energy usage. By improving energy efficiency, window replacement in Austin helps you reduce your reliance on HVAC systems, ultimately lowering your energy consumption and reducing your home's carbon footprint. Reduction in utility bills. Replacing old windows with energy-efficient models can lead to significant savings on your utility bills. If your current windows are inefficient, your heating and cooling systems must work overtime to maintain a comfortable temperature, increasing your energy consumption and monthly costs. Lower energy consumption. Modern energy-efficient windows are designed to minimize the heat entering or escaping your home, allowing your HVAC system to run more efficiently. As a result, you will notice a reduction in energy usage and a decrease in your monthly energy bills. Return on investment. While window replacement requires an upfront investment, the long-term savings on your energy bills often offset the initial cost. In fact, window replacement is one of the most cost-effective ways to improve your home's energy efficiency and reduce its environmental impact. These savings not only benefit your wallet but also help reduce the amount of energy consumed, further contributing to environmental sustainability. Reduction of greenhouse gas emissions. Energy-efficient windows contribute to a reduction in greenhouse gas emissions, which is one of the most important environmental benefits of window replacement. By decreasing your reliance on heating and cooling systems, you lower the amount of energy required to maintain your home's temperature. Energy demand. The less energy you use, the fewer greenhouse gases are emitted from power plants. In Austin, where a significant portion of electricity comes from natural gas and coal, reducing your energy consumption helps minimize the carbon emissions associated with power generation. Supporting renewable energy. By reducing your household's energy demand, you also help facilitate the growth of renewable energy sources in the area. When fewer people rely on conventional energy sources, there's less demand for non-renewable resources, making way for cleaner, greener energy alternatives. Choosing to replace your windows with energy-efficient models directly contributes to the reduction of greenhouse gas emissions, making your home more sustainable. Improved indoor air quality. Another environmental benefit of window replacement in Austin is its positive effect on indoor air quality. Older windows often have gaps and cracks that allow drafts to enter your home. This can also allow dust, pollen, and other allergens to make their way indoors, compromising the air quality. Sealing out pollutants. When you install new windows with proper sealing, you eliminate drafts and prevent outdoor pollutants from entering your home. Energy-efficient windows, particularly those with weather stripping, offer a tight seal that helps protect against air leaks and allergens. Better ventilation. New windows also allow for better ventilation, especially if you opt for operable windows like casement or awning windows. This can help improve airflow and reduce indoor air pollutants, creating a healthier living environment for you and your family. By improving your home's air tightness and ventilation, window replacement helps ensure that the air inside your home is cleaner, reducing the risk of respiratory issues and enhancing overall indoor comfort. Sustainability through material choices. Modern windows are made from sustainable materials designed for durability and low environmental impact. Many window manufacturers use recycled materials or energy-efficient coatings, ensuring that the production process has a minimal environmental footprint. Recyclable window frames. Many vinyl, fiberglass, and aluminum window frames are recyclable, meaning that at the end of their life cycle, they can be repurposed rather than contributing to landfill waste. This reduces the overall environmental impact of the windows. Durability. New windows are designed to last much longer than their outdated counterparts. This means fewer replacements and less waste over time. Investing in durable, energy-efficient windows helps promote long-term sustainability in your home. By choosing eco-friendly materials and investing in long-lasting, durable windows, you're making a positive contribution to both your home's energy efficiency and the environment. Conclusion. Window replacement in Austin provides significant environmental benefits, from improving energy efficiency and reducing utility bills to lowering greenhouse gas emissions and enhancing indoor air quality. By investing in energy-efficient windows, you not only reduce your home's environmental footprint but also save money in the long run. Moreover, the use of sustainable materials and improved durability ensures that your windows are a wise choice for both the environment and your home. With Austin's hot summers and cooler winters, Upgrading your windows is a smart, long-lasting investment in creating a greener, more sustainable home.